I guide you to watch YouTube and use other apps. Firstly, let's open the YouTube. And from there, if you need to watch YouTube over using other apps, firstly, you need to get the YouTube Premium. You need to tap on You here and scroll down to get YouTube Premium. Let's say if you already got your YouTube Premium, you could watch your premium benefits from here. And all you need to do is that you need to tap on your profile here, go to the general. From there, you need to check whether picture in picture is turned on or not. So, if you couldn't find in the general settings in the YouTube, you need to go ahead into the settings, which is on your mobile. After that, you need to search for picture in picture. And if you type that, here it will give you. From there, you need to turn on that special permissions for picture in picture. So, you need to tap here and you need to scroll all the way down to find the YouTube, and here you need to check whether it has been allowed or not. So after that, you need to go to the YouTube and you need to play any of the video. Let's say I'm tapping on here. I'm from India, and a country from there, if I need to use YouTube over other apps, I need to play that video. I need to come out of the YouTube here. So and from here, I can use Instagram, or otherwise, I can go for using Facebook. And I can do whatever I want by playing that YouTube over other apps. We do. This is how you could. And there are many 90s pop culture references he doesn't understand. This is how you could watch YouTube and use other apps. Thank you.